So my Nana just got here with my birthday present from my aunt. So we're gonna be unboxing it. So here's the present.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. Okay, so first we have some bracelet making stuff. So cute.
Ooh.
And then we have this glam bag. And inside of it we have these cute clippies. And then some Stitch lip gloss. And
Snatch.
not really sure what that is, but
It's a Snitch. It's a Stitch collectible minifigure. I think that's what it says.
cute. I'm definitely going to be using this glam bag. I love this. Okay guys, so that's my unboxing from BB guys for my birthday. Thank y'all for watching. Bye!